In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted line breaks on your Wix site. If your text is splitting awkwardly across multiple lines, don't worry, this is a common issue and easy to fix. First, check the width of your text box or container. Often, line breaks happen because the box is too narrow. Instead of shrinking your text or rewriting content, adjusting the box size usually solves the problem. Open your Wix editor and click on the text box causing issues. You'll see small handles along the edges. Use these to drag and expand the width of your box. Watch how your text flows as you adjust. Make small changes so the rest of your page layout stays neat and balanced. If the text still breaks oddly, check for text wrapping or alignment settings. Sometimes justify or wrap settings force lines to break unexpectedly. Once everything looks good, hit save or publish to make your changes live. This simple tweak can make your site look more polished, professional, and easy to read. And that's it. No more pesky line breaks. Your Wix text is now clean and seamless. Happy editing!